taking a look here, we can use our ratios to compare against another company or the industry as a whole. We want to understand, is it better or worse to have a higher or lower metric? We'll talk about that. Now, this isn't all of them. This is just a couple of them, some more common ones, and we talked about a good amount of them as we went through the examples. Well, for example, the ROE, our return on equity, seems that we have a lower one than the industry, and this doesn't necessarily mean is it lower or higher. This just means is it better or worse? Well, it's better to have a higher ROE, right? We're having more net income per our equity. The current ratio, it's better to have a higher current ratio. This takes into account, remember, our current assets and current liabilities. Same with accounts receivable turnover. This is dictating that we generally convert our AR to cash about 12.5 times per year. So it's nice to see that we are beating out the industry in that sense. Cash conversion cycle, well, even though we have a higher one than the industry, that's not actually good because that means that the industry converts its operations to cash more efficiently than we do, right? That's what we're seeing there in this example. And growth rate, it looks like we are actually growing slower than the industry, so not ideal, right? Hopefully, we will do better than the industry in the future, but for now, we are not. Right. So, and again, the cash conversion cycle, this could be a sign of operational issues, lack of demand, declining market, whatever it may be. So, take a look, get familiar with the relationships between the different ratios. Are you doing better or worse? As I note here, for most formulas and metrics in BEC, we can compare how our company is doing against others, be it in valuation, performance management, working capital, or other areas. These are just some of the ratios calculated in this section. Make sure you know each ratio and if it is preferable or not to have a higher or lower one.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.